Mountain climbing kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look straight. 6. Head up, ma'am. 6, 7. Ready, sir? Come on, ready. Immediately. Come on, ready. Go. Plank and stretch. Oh. Plank and stretch. Plank and stretch. Come on, left to right, right to left, and turn. Master slowly. Little bit slowly. Little bit slowly and do. Plank and stretch. Yes. Wow, perfect. Plank and stretch. Yes. Plank and stretch. Okay. And relax. Relax. Again. Start. Well, again, mountain climbing kicks. That's cobra stretch. Sorry. Cobra stretch. Come on, Anna. Come. Cobra stretch. Yes. Slowly, brother. Slowly. Slowly, brother. Yes, slowly. Come on, daddy. Good. Intense in more. Anta high intense would do. Kunchu slowly. Intense. Go slowly. Yes. Relax. Relax now. Yes. Slowly relax. Relax. Slowly relax. Left to right, right to left to come straight now. Left to right, right to left. Very good. Left to right. Come on. Up to up only. Right leg and left hand. Right leg and left hand. Yes. Right leg and left hand. Up to up only. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Very good. 3. Yes, 2. Only one more. Yes. And left to right knee crunch. Knee crunch. Knee crunch. Knees touch your elbows. Knees touch your elbows. Left to right, right to left. Yes. Left to right, right to left. Yes. Stretch. Super. Very good job. Good job. Yes. Come on, ready? Good. And stretch your body and left to right, right to left. Hand down. Yes. Very good. Good. And stretch your body right to left and left to right. Come on, ma'am. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Good job. Good job. Very good job. Excellent. Good job, ma'am. Good job. Good job. Very good. Left to right, right to left. Yes, relax. Relax. Come on, ma'am. Intense of the abs. Come on, ready, good. Maximum. Touch your back. Left to right, right to left, ma'am. Touch, ma'am. Very good. Super. Very good. Opposite legs is touch. Right hand is left leg. Right leg. Opposite hand. Brother, opposite. Brother, you are doing only for right to right only. I tell you on right to left and left to right. And that's good, ma'am. Good, super, ma'am. Super, good, ma'am. Very good, excellent. Yes, ma'am. Yes, super. Very good, ma'am. Super, extraordinary. Very good job, ma'am. Very good job. And relax. Yes. Yes, relax. Yes. Come on, very good. Yes, well again, ma'am. Same left to right, right to left. Again. Come on. Yeah. Yes. Left to right, right to left. Come on. Yes. 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 Left to right, right to left. Very good. Super. Three more. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, ma'am. 9. Yes, ma'am. 10. 9. Very good. 8, 7, 6. 5, ma'am. 4. Very good. 3. Yes, ma'am. 2, 1. Stop. Lay down. Yes. Upper work. Crunch. Crunch. And legs up. Hip up. Come on, ready. Good. Just alternate, alternate. Come on, ready. Very good. Super. Left to right, right to left to touch. Touch for oblique and crunch level. Only knees crunch. Knees crunch. Yes, very good. Touch, ma'am. Super. Very good, ma'am. Excellent. Good job, ma'am. Good job. Very good, ma'am. Left to right, right to left. Yes, ma'am. Super. Very good. Extraordinary. Relax. Relax, ma'am. Relax. Yes, ma'am. Very good. Okay. Again, hold it and shift crunch. Very good. Hold it, ma'am. Forward. Hold it, ma'am. 20 seconds. Yes, ma'am. Hold it. Yes, sir. Weight should be in stomach. Yes, ma'am. 20. 19 seconds. Very good. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Come on, ready, brother. Unka, ready. Yes, 10 seconds. 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ma'am. Stop, ma'am. Relax. Yes, ma'am. Stretch. Well, again, left to right, right to left, ma'am. Oblique crunch. Again, left to right, right to left, touch, ma'am. Very good. Excellent. Good job. Good job. Yes. Good job. Very good. Excellent. Good job. Very good. Superb. Very good. Excellent. Drop. of the weight. And again, second again repeat. Repeat the exercise holding, yes, both crunch. Just hold it few seconds now. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Very good. 3. Nice count to 1. Yes, relax. Relax, ma'am. Yes, relax. Yes, ma'am. Again, crunch. Forward to crunch. Forward crunch. Yes, ma'am. Forward crunch. Forward crunch. Yes, very good. 3, 2, 4, 5, ma'am. 6, 7, 8, 9, ma'am. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Very good. 3. Yes, 2. Only one more. Yes, brother. Superb. Superb. Very good. Relax. Relax. Yes. Relax. Yes. And again, crunch. Yes. Knees crunch and stretch. Come on, Lord. Crunch and stretch. Very good. Double crunch. Yes, double crunch ravali. Actually, double crunch ravali. Okay, if you have no problem, only crunch your legs and stretch. Very good. Superb. Extraordinary. Very good job, brother. Good job, brother. Superb. Superb. Good job. Good job. Good job. Yes, good job. Okay, brother. Good job. Good job. Yes. 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 Again, forward crunch. Forward crunch. Yes. Very good job. Forward crunch. Forward crunch. Yes. Again, double crunch. Again, and stretch. Yes, stretch your legs. Complete stretch your legs. Come on, very good. Very good. Excellent. Good job, ma'am. Very good job. Excellent. Come on, more crunch and stretch your leg, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Crunch and stretch your legs. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Relax. Relax. Hip up and down, ma'am. Just for hip up and down. Squeeze and down. Slowly squeeze and down. Squeeze and down. Hip squeeze and down. Yes, ma'am. Squeeze and down. Yes, squeeze and down. Hip squeeze and down. Yes. Very good. Super. Squeeze and down. Very good. Excellent. Good job. Good job, brother. Yes. Double crunch just for holding. Yes. Hug. Yes. Knees. Hug. Yes. Relax. Relax. And left to right, right to left to stretch now. Good. Both are knees, left to right, right to left to stretch. Yes. Very good, ma'am. And stretch body. Opposite side is the head down, ma'am. Very good. Excellent, ma'am. Good job. Good job, ma'am. Yes, relax. Very good, ma'am. Excellent. Excellent, ma'am. Good job, ma'am. Relax.